We are here under the Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake, and we're going to download the Fatal Frame Crimson Butterfly Remake Silent Hill F costume set. And it is 2.76 megabytes, and this is the costume. Oh, there it is. For Silent Hill F crossover. Very quick install, very small install. Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake crossover with Silent Hill F costume set. Transform into Shimizu Hanako, main character from Silent Hill F, with this costume set. Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake plus the Silent Hill F costume set includes the following items from Silent Hill F. Outfit: the Navy Sailor School Uniform. Accessory: Fox Mask. Players can equip Shimizu Hanako's school uniform and the Fox Mask in the game. The Navy Sailor School Uniform outfit can be worn by Mio Amakura, and the Fox Mask accessory can be worn by Mio Amakura and Mayu Amakura. How to use: add a butterfly lantern save point, select outfit. For more details, please check the official website.